Hello everyone, welcome to this video. Today I'm going to start a new Kubernetes series, so please stay tuned. In this video, I'm going to start MINIKUBE so we can have a cluster to start learning and developing on Kubernetes. So first, I'm going to search MINIKUBE in the search engine, and then I'm going to click on the first link. Here, I'm going to select my environment, which is a Linux environment. This architecture is correct. I'm going to release the stable version, and I'm going to use the RPM package. So I'm going to download it in my terminal here. Okay, it will take a bit. Yeah, just finish. So I can do this RPM. Okay, and then I'm going to install it with with the RPM command. Okay, I'm going to install it now. Okay, it just finished. So how can we verify that it's correctly installed? I'm going to hit minikube command and I'm going to start the cluster. Okay, as you can see, this is an error because I am root. So I'm going to go back to a regular user and I'm going to try to start the cluster again. Okay, it will prompt me for my system password. Okay, let me start my Docker daemon. Okay, you can see now it's running. So I'm going to go back to this command and let's see. Okay, it will download the driver for my Docker installation and let's wait for this process to finish. Okay, it just finished to install the cluster, to create a cluster and to boot up. Now we need a kubectl command to interact with it. So I'm going to install it using yum. Okay. I'm going to be root for this. Oh, what happened? Okay, given this error, I'm going to rely on Minikube to install kubectl. So I'm going to do this. Okay. Oh, I'm root. Okay. Minikube kubectl get this one. And now it's installing kubectl within Minikube. Okay, as you can see now the command has been installed and now has been listed the cluster components. This is what I have running now in my cluster environment, my Kubernetes environment. This is how you can install Minikube and kubectl within CentOS. Please stay tuned. Bye.